is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got something weird. This is it's by a company called Raindrops. Enjoy the adventure. These are a soft candy mix from them. Raindrops Enterprises. Product of the Netherlands, made for them in Florida, and this is Gummy Noodles. So, yeah, I'm not particularly a huge proponent of the gummy spectrum of things. Yeah. But you may be, so hopefully you find it fascinating. There's some weird stuff in here, too. So let's get to that. I'm using the pair of scissors, and I am going to try to assemble a bowl of ramen made out of gummy noodles and all the accoutrements that are in here. Oh, look at that. It's not all that. Okay. How am I supposed to make this work? Whoa. If I can just get the noodles out, that would help. It almost smells like a dentist's office in here, like a horrible dentist's office. Wow, that smells like weird. I just don't know. Come on, let go. There's some noodles. Doesn't that look like ramen to you? No? What's that? Well, if that's egg. There's some egg. I thought this was it. What the frick is this? Looks like a marshmallow. Oh, it's like a peep. There. Not exactly sure what we have there. There's two of them. This is one of the shrimp. So we'll add that in there. It tastes like bubblegum almost. And there's like funky vegetable looking things. It's maybe like it's supposed to be a carrot. And these are supposed to be vegetables. They kind of look like maybe it's like licorice. No? Oh, those aren't bad. They're weird. Is that everything? That's all of that. And then I guess we got another one of these, it looks like one of those peeps things. It's like a sugar-covered weird thing. There's another one of those. What are those anyways? There's like a legend on the back. Candy topping. And then there's candy vegetables, candy egg, candy noodles, and candy shrimp. I guess I'll try one of the candy toppings. It literally looks like one of those Peeps things. Yeah, it's a marshmallow. But yeah. I guess I should try some of the noodle at least. Everything else actually isn't bad. Yeah. Everything else isn't bad. Well, my daughter will be thrilled to have some ramen candy when she gets home from school. A fine after-school snack. I don't know. That makes me feel like a horrible parent to even let anybody eat this. It's not, I mean, it's candy, whatever. No need to get dramatic. You're right, Ramen Raider. No need. Well, that was fun. I mean, let's admit that was kind of fun. And we're gonna go back to Malaysia, or Indonesia rather, with Kobe's Jiwa Pagi mee goreng, and these noodles have carrot and green bean in them. So all over the place today. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Noodle, noodle. How much was? How much was? Alles gut, alles gut. Snel,